everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna prepare mini embutido or lumpiang Shanghai. So this recipe is an Asian recipe, so very simple to prepare. So if you are new in this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and hit notification bell, and you will be notified every time I post the video. Okay, let's jump into it and let's start with the ingredients. Okay, the first ingredients is half kilo of ground pork. So 1 piece of onion, 1 piece of carrots, 1 piece of egg, and 2 pieces of celery. So the wrapper we needed also. And then minced onion and pepper. Those are the ingredients we needed to prepare this mini or tiny embutido or lumpiang Shanghai. Let's start to mix up all the ingredients. First is the egg. So we put the salt. So estimate the salt. And then the minced garlic. So if you don't have minced garlic, you can cut up the cloves garlic. And then the ground pepper. So the 1 piece of carrots, you have to cut into small pieces. And then we have to grind. So the next is the celery. Then after that, the onion. So 1 piece of onion. So we have to grind also. Then after that, we mix up manually. Okay, let's continue. So in Philippines, this is what you call lumpiang Shanghai. So this is how I make. And then after that, we fry. And then, ready to eat. So this is the first batch we made. So okay guys, we finished wrapping up the meat. So let's fry a bit and then let's taste later. Okay, let's start frying. This is what you call mini embutido or lumpiang Shanghai in Asia. Okay, this is a delicious recipe, very simple to prepare, and few ingredients needed to come up this product or this recipe. Okay, let's start frying some of this. Okay, let's start to fry some. Our mini embutido is ready. So it smells so good, so delicious. So if you are new in this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and hit notification bell so that every time I post the video, you will be notified always. So if you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up and write down your comments. So thank you so much. Until next time. Bye. Hey, let's try. So nice. Delicious. Crunchy outside because of the wrapper. And then inside you will taste all the ingredients that you have mixed up, that we mix up. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like the video, click thumbs up and write down your comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time. Bye.